If you've ever sat down with a bowl of apple crumble fresh from the oven, you know there's something comforting about it. Simple, humble, but deeply satisfying. But where did this comforting dessert actually come from? The apple crumble was created during the Second World War. With rationing in place, ingredients like butter, sugar and flour were limited, and making traditional pies became a bit of a luxury. So home cooks got creative. Instead of rolling out pastry, they made a simple topping by rubbing fat into flour and sugar. Quick, frugal and delicious when scattered over fruit. And that's how the crumble was born. Apples were widely available, but also their natural sweetness and tartness paired perfectly with that crumbly topping. Over time, the dish stuck around long after rationing had ended. Since then, apple crumble has travelled far beyond Britain. You'll find versions with oats, nuts, spices and even different fruits. But at its heart, it's the same dish. Fruit bubbling away underneath a golden, crunchy layer on top, and usually a scoop of custard, cream or ice cream alongside. So the next time you tuck into apple crumble, you're not just eating dessert, you're tasting a piece of history born from resilience and resourcefulness. Of course, it doesn't have to be apple in your crumble. Any fruit tastes good. Well, I say that, I'm not really sure about citrus fruits. Maybe someone out there has tried that and can let me know. My mum likes the crumble topping, so she always doubles the amount to give it a really crispy, crunchy layer. You can add some sugar on top to give it some nice caramelisation, although we don't do that. Everyone has their way of doing things and this is just hers. And there we have it, best straight from the oven, in our case with a nice big dollop of custard. Let us know in the comments section what filling you like in your crumble, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.